Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will talk about string operators. So we have these many operators: equal to, not equal to, -z, -n, then string itself. So let's understand this using shell scripting. Okay, so first one is this shebang, then I've copied from that file. So let's create a script for this one. Then echo else echo file. Okay, so first one, what I'll do is I'll declare some variables. I've declared 4 variables. First one is dollar, second 2, str3, and str4. Let's give the name. First one hello, second one I'll take it empty, third one is also hello, and fourth one is world. Okay, so in the first one I'm using equal to. Okay, so what it does is it will return if both the strings are equal. So I'll use this equal to str2, which is empty. I'll give it as 3, equal, copy this, unequal. Okay, now I've closed this one. Now let's check the second one. Second one is for not equal to. So I'll take some other string. I'll take string 2, this. So if string 1 is hello, string 2 is empty, so which is not equal to, so it will return not equal, equal, else will return equal. Okay, now next one is -z option. What it does is it will check whether the file is empty or not, that string is empty or not. Okay, I'll give it a string 2, empty, not empty. Now next is -n. -n will check whether the string given is non-zero or not. Copy this, string 1, non-zero, 0. Okay, next one is string itself. So I'll take 2 examples. First one is string 1. So it says string 1 is having some value, right? So it will the output of this if condition will be evaluated as 0, which means success. Okay, I'll put it here in comments, 0, and in echo I'm printing fail, F in caps. Now for string 2, which is an empty string, so it will return some non-zero values. Okay, so I'll give it as, so if it is a non-zero value, then what it does is it will fail. Okay, let's save this. Now run this command. Okay, command not found. I'm getting some error. Let's debug this. First one is hello, this one. Let's give this in double quotes, Now run this. Line number 11. What is line number 11? Okay, I have declared the variables. Okay, now it is fine. Clear this. Okay, so first one is, if you see over here, this is not matched. Okay, so we'll go one by one. First one is hello equals to hello, so it says equal, equal, then printed equal. Second one is I have used hello with empty, means string 2, so it says hello unary expected. Okay, and it has given the output as equal, which is not correct. I will have a look on this one. Hyphen z, I have used string 2, so it says empty. Hyphen n, I have used hello and it says non-zero. And for the last one, I have given string 1, so it says success. And for the last one, if you see, I have used string 2, which says fail. So I need to correct this one. String 4 I'll take. Let's save this. Now run this. Okay, now I'll run without hyphen x. Let's see the output. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.